welcome to TinkerGen's YouTube channel. Today we are going to be introducing and unpacking the latest product in our STEM education line, an agile four-legged robot, Bittle. Bittle is designed and made by Petoi in collaboration with TinkerGen. It is made of high-strength injection-molded plastic, able to withstand pressure and falls. Additionally, it features customized Arduino-based mainboard with rich peripherals and sophisticated code allowing for dynamic movement and coordination. TinkerGen engineers already have experimented with earlier prototypes of Bittle and have made some interesting videos explaining advanced usage of Bittle with Raspberry Pi. In today's video, we are going to have a look at the box content and do the test run of the box immediately after taking it out of the box. Bittle is going to be sold in 3 different versions: a kit for DIY assembly, a pre-assembled robot, and a pre-assembled robot with a sensor pack. Here's a box with pre-assembled robot. Let's open it and have a look inside. We can see a pre-assembled and calibrated robot in the middle of the box. Now let's take it out of its cozy little doghouse. Right below Bittle, there's a quick start guide with information on how to install the head and how to get free lessons and projects made by TinkerGen's team of professional educators and engineers. Additionally, in the upper part of the packaging, we can see an accessory box which you can find a remote control, a spare servo, a micro USB cable, a USB TTL converter, and a calibration tool. Now to switch Bittle on, press the blue button on the battery for 3 seconds. We can use the remote control to test the main functions of Bittle. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Stand up and sit. Good dog. Bittle fully supports CodeCraft, a graphical programming environment made by TinkerGen. With CodeCraft, users can program Bittle to make interesting and educational projects with drag-and-drop style coding. You will even be able to teach Bittle new skills and new movements. In order to program Bittle with CodeCraft, attach USB TTL converter to Bittle mainboard. And connect Bittle to computer with USB cable. It supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection as well with extra Bluetooth and Wi-Fi dongle. After connecting Bittle to computer, open CodeCraft at IDEtinkerGen.com and choose Bittle as device. Make this sample code and press the upload button. Choose the corresponding COM port and then upload will start. Nice! We made our first program with Bittle. That was easy, wasn't it? Last but not least, advanced users can either modify Bittle source code directly using Arduino IDE for people proficient in C or control it with Raspberry Pi using Python. You can do this and much more, one Bittle at a time.